What's in here? You got a Sprite.
Golly, that's nice.
Open it, Logan. I'll see it.
You don't see it?
No.
Look
Then
real
open the
hard.
tunnel gate.
It's real hard.
That battery. That's why I got you that battery.
Yeah, you don't put that on yours.
Behind the battery?
Come around here a minute. Come around here to this.
Oh, Lord.
So
Logan.
What do you think about that?
There's your hand.
What is it? What is that? What is it?
What is it?
You don't know
I
what
think
to
this
say.
is the thing I always wanted.
Lana's laughing. Vicky, touch the ground on it. Get on it.
Wow.
It's going to be a while. Them feet's going to have to grow a little bit.
Yeah.
I think I ride this thing up the hill.
Or head.
I bet your mama didn't bring no socks for you to put them boots on, so you have to ride with the shoes on.
Logan. Logan.
Yeah,
Logan.
I know.
Just put it on them.
I just leave your shoes on, baby. You ain't got no socks on.